Good morning, teacher Luz Laura Sanchez. My name is Leonardo Vilches Nicho. I love now present the dialogue. Hello, everyone. Today we have the famous Absor Rapid. Welcome. Thank you. I am happy to be here. Where did you study? Get your student? I studied and Summerthing School. It was a big and clean school. What How's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. I like in learning in new words and speaking. Who was your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher was Miss Luz. She was kind, patient, and very intelligent. Was she strict? No, she was thin. She was friendly and helpful. There were many students in our class. Yesterday I bought 20 students. There's also a small library in my school. How were your classmates? They were funny and friendly. Some were shy, but most were jovial. What sport do you play? I play soccer and basketball. I ran in some school competition too. What hobbies did you have? I enjoy listening to music and playing video games. I also read comic book. When do you finish school? I finished school in 2022. Did you like your school days? Yes, I did. I have good memory and it made great friends. What do you like do? I didn't like you too much homework and I didn't like waking on early. The cafeteria food wasn't very good.